They're off. And they jump away as one horse. We've got Maid of Honor jumps for the lead. Si Inday is right behind in second. Then alongside Insider, Dwayne is also there. Emergency Call, then followed over down on the inside by a Toy for Us. Third last, Suerte Lang. Second last, we have Pleasant Drive. And Jeguito is running at the tail of the field. Maid of Honor, the leader by a length and a half. Si Inday in second. Alongside is a Dwayne. Emergency Call still in fourth. Then comes a Toy for Us. Now trying to get closer is the favorite Suerte Lang. 3:50 to travel. The lead now belongs to si Inday. We've got si Inday by about 2 lengths. There was a spill right off Insider left unseated. Si Inday by about 2 lengths. Suerte Lang is on the outside. Si Inday, and finally si Inday second, close. Emergency Call and Suerte Lang, then Dwayne.